start learn Kotlin, we need to install or use an online tool to write our Kotlin code. So in this video, we are going to introduce you to the place that we are going to write code inside it in order for us to practice our Kotlin skills. So we have two main options that we can go with, or we have two options available. The first one is to download a program locally in your operating system and use that program to write Kotlin code. Now, we have many options that we can go to choose our program. However, if you are asking about really stable and really recommended one, then I will go with IntelliJ IDEA. This is really great software that will allow you to practice your Kotlin skills. It is really amazing. It has a lot of great features from intelligence, from fast, from light, all these stuff that you can choose. However, if you do not want to install any software, if you do not want to, if you do not have any space available on your operating system, then we can use an online tool that it's gonna allow us to write Kotlin code and practice it and learn Kotlin basics through it. Now, what's the difference between these two options? The first one is downloading a program. The second one is using an online tool. The main difference between both of these is that with the online compiler, we do not have too much, let's say, capabilities. We do not have the capability to download or to save, to extend the project that we are going to work in. However, this is not a problem because we do not want to be a Kotlin experts in this course. We are only learning about Kotlin for Android. So do not worry. The online compiler will do great for you. So in the next video, I will show you how to set up an online compiler, and we can get rid of any other softwares, because later on we will be using Android Studio and it will be enough for you to get started with. Now, the idea behind this video is that I just want to let you know that we have two options to write Kotlin code. The first one is downloading a program, which we are not gonna go with because I know most of you guys hate the process of downloading and installing new softwares. We are going to use an online tool like this one to write our Kotlin code. Feel free to download any program if you want, but if you want to follow along with me, then I'm going to go with the online compiler. As I said, it is faster, lighter, and also it has everything that we need. So if you are interested, let's get started.